Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Zubair is here. Today I will show you the Windows 11 interesting feature in regard of screen recording. We have free Windows 10 built-in feature by which we can record our computer screens. We can use that feature by going to Start menu and type Clipchamp. Let me type Clipchamp. Okay, okay. Let me go to home of this Clipchamp built-in software. So for the Clipchamp, you have to use you have to create an account. Firstly, I have created an account, any account like Gmail, Microsoft, and you have to do a sign up first. You can use it in Windows. You can also use it in a browser. Let me try to search Clipchamp. Okay, yeah, you can use it in a browser as well by logging in or try it for free. Okay, let's go back to a Clipchamp. So once you open a Clipchamp and you have created an account, you will find this screen in front of you. So let's go to create a new video. So once we go to create a new video, we will have options here, record and create. So now the options are screen and camera recording, only camera recording, or a screen recording, or create text to speech. Okay. Now let's go to the option which have screen and camera recording both. So if I go to screen and camera recording, let's see what happens. Let's go there. Okay, here I can see this is also recording my video in the camera as well as the screen. So once I clicked on that option, I can see here, check there's nothing in your teeth, hit a big red button, choose a screen tab or app to record, wants you your camera while recording, okay, edit your layout after you are finished. So let's start this recording. Again, see this recording is limited to 30 minutes. Okay, let's start a recording. Once I have clicked on starting a recording, and let's go to Windows section, and I want to share the window, or I can select entire screen as well, but let's for testing share this window and hit screen. Okay, now I have shared the window of Clipchamp just for testing. So this will not work here on any other window. So let's go to stop sharing, and we can see here testing. Now let's go to save and edit. If I want to save this recording and I want to edit this, I go here and I will allow downloading it, and here I can play and edit, and I have different options to work on this recording here. Once you are all done, you can preview the recording what you have created. Here I have camera recording as well as besides my screen recording. This is just for your testing. I know you are not able to understand here what's recorded here. So don't worry about that. Also, once you are done with recording, you can edit here your video, and the most interesting thing, you can see the screen recording and the camera recording separately. So you can edit both of them separately. In the main section preview, you can see how your video looks like. Yeah. And in this section, you have the option here, forward, backward, forward, and speed of the video. And here you can play the video. And the next very interesting and important thing here is in the preview section, you can select anything and you can drag and drop it anywhere. Like I have, I want to select my camera and I want to drag it somewhere else. So I will be able to drag the screen as well as my camera in the video. Okay, so once it's come to next, I want to change back my camera. I want to take my camera here. I can also adjust size of the camera. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. See? Also, when I click any of the screen here, I have the option. Like if I hit the camera or if I hit the main screen, I have the option here. I can fit it, I can crop it, I can picture in a picture, rotate it, and I have different options, flip horizontal and flip vertical here. So let's see if I have these options for for my picture as well. So yeah, you can see here I can rotate it anywhere and I have all other options here as well. Down here I have the option to edit my timeline or the video timeline here. So if I go to, let's see how we can edit or crop a video here. And it looks like the same recorder we have in market. So let's split button, how we can split it. Yeah, we can split it like this. And if we accidentally split it in a wrong way, we can hit undo here. Here I can trim my video, same as we can do it in other video editing software in the market. So once I trim it from here and I can delete it by clicking here. And now let's see if I want to delete the video from the end, and I can go that video in that part and I can click on a split, and after splitting that I can click here and I can hit the delete button, and now it's deleted. And for going back to the place where you have deleted, or if you perform anything wrong accidentally, you can simply go to undo, or you can press Ctrl Z. See, I press Ctrl Z and the video comes up back here. So one more interesting thing, I can use split button here. Okay, once I have clicked on a split button, I split and I can expand and I can extend the camera and also the screen. So I want to see whole camera here when video goes from this timeline. So let's play and see. Here I will be able to see my complete camera. Now in regard of editing timeline, we have different option here. So I want when the video comes here, I want to see my camera as TV timeline or something else. So we have different option in the left side here. So I go to transition and I have selected which will be better. Yeah, I've selected fade through and I've drag it to my timeline here. So let's play the video for verification how it works. Okay, now see, once it comes to specific place, it will change the transition timeline here. Okay, we have other different option here. In the left side, we can select text, we can select stock images, right? We can drag and drop a text here in my timeline. Let me show you if I drag and drop a text here containing the word circular. So I can add it here and I can also extend or reduce it according to my requirement, right? So let me show you if I add it here and I play the video from here, it will show me the circular text. Next thing is regarding graphic. We can also add graphic here. So in stock we have stickers, backgrounds and all those things. Let's click on a see more. I can add other graphics here according to my requirements. Another other stickers and graphics according to my requirements. So I want to add yes in my video, right? And I want this yes sticker for this period of time. So here I want this sticker in this size. I have also different option here to edit this. So let's see. Still it's importing. I will show you once it gets imported completely. Okay, let's see how the yes looks like. This is circular text and this is showing yes button for the video editing. Also in the left hand corner, we have an option your media where we can add a media from our computer like or from phone or from OneDrive, Google Drive or Dropbox anywhere. Basically, if you want to import any file or media or any image from my computer, our computer, we have to go here and we can select any files. And the second option is record and create. As you are aware of record and create option, we have different option here like screen and camera, camera or screen or text to speech. We saw this option in the beginning of the video. Once I am all done with my recording, I can go here, export, and I can select a file here. So currently the free high quality is 1080. So let's select this. So now this will take some time depending upon your video. This will render your video here and here you can also name your video like Clipchamp tutorial and this will get downloaded to your computer here. Down below, I have the option to share this video with various services like Upload YouTube, TikTok, OneDrive, and all the tools here. And the next thing is I have the option of create video link. So I will be able to share my video link to anybody and they will be able to see my video only by going to a link. Let's verify. Let's copy the link and let's verify it by going to browser anywhere. Okay, that's great. I will be able to see this video here. Let's try an incognito where I have nothing account added. Yeah, yeah, that's great. I will be able to see my video by only sharing a link. Okay, this is all about free screen recorder and free video recorder and a free camera recorder in Windows 11. And this feature is free and built in Windows 11. For more interesting videos, please follow and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.